Good morning, everybody. Dr. Anurag Sandanayaka, Consultant Director, General Hospital, Hoysawella, and all the doctors joining us here today, and ladies and gentlemen. We as Bank of Ceylon, we thank GMO for giving this opportunity for the bank to share our thoughts with all of you. Bank of Ceylon, being the number one bank in Sri Lanka, we have been for a long, many years in partnership with GMOA and with all of you. During this year, we celebrated our 82nd anniversary. We have a long history of 82 years. During this long history, we have a very long relationship with you all. Sometime before you were born, maybe with your parents, with your grandparents, we had this relationship. Sometime your grandparents or your parents would have been banked with us. They would have obtained their home loans from BOC. They would have their agricultural loans from BOC. They would have obtained their personal loans from BOC. And we served for 82 long years for the nation. That's why we call Bank of Ceylon the bankers to the nation. Not only that, at your birth, your parents would have opened Rankakulu account for you. Then with that account, you would have obtained BOC Rankakulu scholarship. Then your Rankakulu Ginum would have converted to a 14 plus, thereafter 18 plus. Then with that 18 plus account, you would have obtained higher education scholarship for your higher education. Then at the university also you would have obtained BOC credit card specially offered to medical students. Then from today onwards, with your journey, we will be facilitating you with more facilities. You can now open BOC Prestige Plus account, which is specially designed for professionals. Then as displayed in the video, you would be able to obtain specially designed affinity credit card for professionals. Then you will be able to obtain BOC housing loan specially designed for professionals like you. Then you would be able to obtain personal loans and leasing facilities specially designed for doctors and other professionals. Not only that, when you are going to hospitals in all over the country, BOC will be with you because health department maintain their account with BOC. We are the bank with you in your lifetime, paying your salaries and engaging in your all banking activities at health department level. Today, Bank of Ceylon is not only a bank just providing simple banking services as traditional bank. Even though we are older, more than 82 years, with becoming more older, we are becoming more younger. The bank is becoming younger when we grow in years. Now we are equipped with all the digital and automated banking services. In Sri Lanka, we are happy that we are the number one bank in digital and automated online banking services as well. Starting from BOC online banking and mobile banking. In addition to that, we have Smart Pay banking app. We have Smart Passbook, that's a e-passbook service. We have apply online facility for you to open your accounts, for you to apply your home loans and personal loans online. And we have many other services e-commerce enabled debit cards and credit cards, internet payment gateway for merchants to integrate with our payment gateway and make enable their e-marketing facilities to their customers. Not only that, going beyond, we have started many online and digital banking services to the nation. We have provided banking on wheel, branch on wheel service, complete branch on a wheel, and we have opened BOC Digi branches for young generation to do all their banking activities as a self-service. Recently, we introduced BOC Connect agent banking service, where we can serve all our nation at their doorstep through our agent network. Then, talking about BOC, we should be proud about the number one bank. We are the number one in asset base. We passed 3 trillion asset base this year, and we have passed 2.6 trillion deposit base, and we have passed 2.2 trillion loan portfolio, and we have 4 branches in overseas. We have branches in India, Maldives, Seychelles, and we have a fully owned subsidiary in London. And we are the bank who achieved the highest profit for consecutive years during past years. With all these achievements, as a community, we can be happy because this bank is yours. There is no private ownership for Bank of Ceylon. The bank is owned by the nation of this country. Finally, it's your bank. Everything we earn and made goes to treasury. Then government treasury spent all this money, especially in education, in health sector, in roads development, water projects, electricity projects, kind of projects for development of the country. So as a doctors community, we all can be happy that we are your bank. We can work together as a community for the development of this country. Finally, I take this opportunity to wish you all, as Bank of Ceylon, bankers to the nation, for your new assignments, new journey. You should get the strength and courage as Bank of Ceylon to serve our nation. Thank you very much.